Alright, we're gonna go into the creek after all this rainfall and everything. We're gonna see what happens. I think it's gonna be a flood. Watch your step.
Oh.
Don't want to fall.
Yeah. Believe me, you don't want to fall. Believe both of us.
Let's see what happens. Alright. Whoa!
No way.
What
See?
happened?
Look at it.
Whoa! Is that sewer pipe? That concrete right there used to be there. No
Yeah.
way.
And when
No way.
now you can't get down.
No way. Oh my gosh. Whoa, this is amazing. This is amazing. Alright, wait.
How deep it is.
Yeah, let's measure how deep it is. Let's see how deep it is through this hole. Anthony, I need a stick.
That is a stick.
Whoa!
That's deep.
That's pretty deep for this creek. Normally this creek is like, what, a foot maybe?
Yeah.
That's more than a foot.
Oh yes it is. It's like 3 feet.
That's way more than a foot. Alright, come on, let's go see what happens over there.
Yeah.
What goes on over here?
Let's see. Come on.
Alright,
go over
we'll
here.
go this way. Whoa! That whole place over there,
Come over here. Yeah.
this whole place over here used to be underwater. Oh, wow.
Let's show them.
Alright, this is pretty amazing. Okay. Watch your step.
And I think it even looks worse from over here. Oh, it looks worse.
Alright, watch your step.
Yeah. See? Oh gosh, it avalanche.
Oh, wow, it avalanches. I don't know. Don't want to fall. Alright.
Okay.
Whoa, that tree broke in half. Oh my gosh.
Let's go this way.
Alright. Okay, I guess we're gonna jump from here to there. Alrighty. Let's do this. Okay, I don't want to get wet, so. Rainwater! Ha ha ha! Alright.
Yeah, I don't think they need to use this.
This is hard, holding a camera and doing this.
Maybe that's why it's around your neck.
Alright, let's see, where are we now?
Whoa. Don't be prepared.
Oh.
See, look, there's a footprint there.
Oh.
That means somebody sunk.
Wow, this used to be all underwater. We normally wouldn't be able to walk on this.
No, we wouldn't.
Alright, let's end our tour at this black pipe.
Watch your step over here because you can easily sink here.
Watch your step, don't want to sink.
Oh.
Alright, that's pretty much our tour of this
We're
wrecked
not
place.
quite
See you
done.
later.